The serial number is, and you can see that there. Looks like M042116RA. It is an M, right? Yeah, M042116RA. Battery died. You can see the casting number there. So I'm assuming that this motor is a 89 or a 90 possible. Or does that 87 mean it's 87? Or is that 80, is that 88, 89 right there? Can't tell. But apparently GM makes this and put a different top on there every time. Either OMC or Mercury top with the exhaust or the heads. So I'm taking this off for the first time. Maybe this is part of the reason why it's seized up. Somewhere there it is. Hopefully I'll take this block. Had a block bored out or cross hatched. If it's not that rusted that bad, you can see it's got some rust in there. That's been soaking for a week. And so maybe it's something in here. I took all the lifters out of the block here, so maybe it's just a little bit seized up. It'll break free. All right, one more to go. And you drop it. You see it? I don't see the socket down there. Oh, there we go. Here we go. One last one. Get the screwdriver in between there. Oh, that's not that bad. Even though the engine's seized up, I can't move it to get to the screws in here. Not bad at all. It's not lined up. Yeah, rats. Oil port there, squirt oil on there. Yeah, can't get this thing to budge. All right, well, anyway, that's it. I'm posting some more videos. I'm tearing this thing down. When I get this thing unseized, hopefully I ain't got long to go, but I can't take the cam out until I can turn it around and get to the bolts. I could pull the pistons out or crankshaft out first. It's pretty clean under there, even though I had water in it, in the motor. All right, till next time.